Welcome to our channel. Opening a brokerage account is your gateway to investing in stocks, bonds, ETFs, and other securities to build wealth over time. Step 1. Research and compare online brokers such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, E*Trade, TD Ameritrade, or Robinhood based on fees, investment options, and platform features. Step 2. Visit your chosen broker's website and click Open an account or Get Started. Step 3. Select the type of account you want: individual brokerage, joint account, IRA, or retirement account. Step 4. Provide personal information including your full name, address, social security number, date of birth, and employment details. Step 5. Answer questions about your investment experience, financial situation, and risk tolerance. Step 6. Review and agree to the broker's terms and conditions, account agreements, and disclosures. Step 7. Set up your login credentials including username and password. Step 8. Link your bank account by providing your account number and routing number for funding your brokerage account. Step 9. Make your initial deposit, noting that some brokers have no minimum while others may require $500 to $1,000 to start. Step 10. Wait for account verification, which typically takes 3 business days. Step 11. Once approved, you can start researching and buying investments through your brokerage platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.